Kashi, Benares, Rudrasar, Anand Kanan, Mahashamshan, the city of narrow lanes, the city of river Ganga, the city of Ghats. Many names what this luminous city have. As old as Athens, Kahira and Rome. A galaxy of many cultural, religious and historical background. Namaste, my name is Nilesh Sinha. It is very difficult to say how old is Kashi, but we can always say that it is as old as Vedas because we get reference in it. What does Kashi mean? According to the historian, the word can be linked to the vegetation which is available in abundance surrounding Ganga, Gomti and river Varuna, popularly known as Kashi, Kush and Kans. In English, halfa grass, big cord grass, salt reed grass. It's also long been used as a sacred plant in lot of tradition. According to the early Buddhist account, it has been said that Lord Buddha used the seat of this for his meditation when he attained the enlightenment. The mention of this is also there in the Rig Veda, where it has been referred as a very auspicious plant. It has been used for the seat of the priest and the Lord. In all the Puranic literature, this name is popularly utilized in this context. The Buddhist text, Jatakas, have always referred Varanasi as Benares or Benarasi. It is actually a Pali version of the name Varanasi and it is very popular even till date. The Kashi Rahasya has mentioned that Lord Shiva himself have said that my lingas are everywhere here, a reason of sheer bliss. Rudrasar, since ancient time, this city has been referred as the resort of Lord Shiva. Mahashamshana, the great cremation ground. In fact, the entire Kashi is the great cremation ground. In Skand Puran, we have a definition of this word Mahashamshana. Maha, the greatest. Sham means corpse. Shana means the final rest. When the dissolution of the universe will come and the great being lie here as a corpse, and therefore this place will be called as Mahashamshana. Varanasi for dying. As you can see, all the famous cities in the world, people migrate to those cities for the better life, money or better prosperity or maybe for the fame. But Varanasi is the only city where people come to die for. It is believed that if someone will die here, he will achieve nirvana and will be free from the cycle of birth and death. When we review the cremation sites of different cities in India, we find maximum cremation sites either are situated in the outskirts of the city or maybe in isolated part of the city. But here in Varanasi, it is right there in the city and being surrounded by the inhabitation. Everything over here has a deep-rooted meaning to itself, and that goes back to the ancient time. Why is Ganga holy? The exposure to the utilitarian aspect of the Ganga water has made this river sacred and holy. Ganga should remain in our life forever. For this, a definition has been given in a book called Skanda Puran. In that it has been said, you cannot offer a stale flower to the god or goddesses. You cannot offer stale food to the god, but you can always offer water of the river Ganga, because water of the river Ganga is never stale, nor even the imagination of the river Ganga is stale. And also our tradition, which is so closely knitted with river Ganga, will never be stale. From the sources of Himalaya to the mouth in Bay of Bengal, this river travels or covers the distance of 2,525 kilometers. Only in Varanasi, this river Ganga flows from the south to north, forming a crescent shape. There are 84 ghats or stairways to the river front, forming a symbolic chain of holy site. In archetypal form, each ghat represents 100,000 organic species or yonis as described in Hindu mythology. Thus, by taking the dip in all the ghats of the river Ganga in Varanasi, the individual soul will get purified in all 8.4 million species. This number also refers to the annual cosmic journey, like 12 zodiacs and 7 layers of atmosphere or the chakras. In my coming videos, I will talk about ghats in detail, and I'll take you to those ghats which are significantly very important in Hinduism. Temples of Varanasi. Vishwanath Temple or Golden Temple. In Puranic literature, in which this temple has been referred as Vishveshwara or Moksha Lakshmi Vilasa Temple, and its architectural plan was discussed in detail. Here again I will say watch for my further videos in which I will be talking about important temples of Varanasi in detail. Narrow lanes of the old city. They are like a labyrinth. Once you are in there, you have to ask a local to your way out in the main part of the city. But the real Kashi or Varanasi is being situated alongside the river Ganga in these narrow lanes. All the pan-India and the regional prominent site has been replicated in Varanasi. So it shows how important this city is. I have started a series on Varanasi, and my idea is to take you to this city through my eyes. When you will start knowing this city, you will be falling in love with this city. As you know, as you grow, we will be growing together, we will be knowing together. That is what the idea of my starting this series for you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon as well, so that you will come to know whenever I'll upload my new video on Varanasi. Thank you very much. Thank you.